Ngifuna ukunitshela nina ensasele ngaphakathi ku-ANC ukuthi your leaders have crossed the river. You are this side, they are that side, but you are so stuck on the colors, green, black and gold. Your leaders have crossed the floor. Right now, with this new decision that people must apply to become amaqabane, there's one outcome of this, is dictatorship of leaders. They want to dictate now everything. They want now to have the type of members who will be told who to like, who to dislike, and who to vote. They're taking complete power. How do you have the political party which is now becoming more powerful than the society it pretends to lead? They're taking powers away from civil society with this new decision to say people must motivate you to be part of the ANC. What if I'm outside of the ANC, but I think the ANC is wrong and I want to go inside and correct things? It means they're completely shutting down the alternative voice from the society. They want the status quo and the current narrative to emerge regardless of views of the society outside. What kind of a political party is that? They are taking powers, all the powers of the society into their own hands. That's what they're doing. Right now, you know, in the ANC, for you to go inside, you must first agree with whatever that they are saying and doing inside. Is that still a political party? Is that within the scale of democracy and freedom? If you dictate what people say before they even join you. Ishonephi kwa-ANC appreciation of diverse views esasiyibona before the elections of 1994 and immediately after 1994. Ishonaphi manje? Why there should be complete dictatorship by leadership of the ANC? So angixabani nani maqabane kaThambo, kodwa ngithi kunina nginitshela on the other side of MK khona ngingazongilalela amanthanda. Your leaders have crossed the floor. Right now, all what they're doing is to protect their gains by trying to make sure that they trim the ANC into a shape required by the people who have funded them. They want a type of leaders who are cloned. Leaders that you tell and say, listen, we are voting this way, not this way. And this thing, then they be democratic centralism. Or now, majority must decide, you must just follow. That's a mistake. You must allow the dissenting voice as much as it may, as small as it may be. It must be allowed to emerge to a proportional extent for balance of power to continue to exist. Because you do not completely dominate and quell the other voice to achieve balance of power. Balance of power is always created by opposing forces. Of course, majority will rule, but you do not silence the opposing voice. If you do that, there shall be no balance of power. It is like telling your wife that she must always agree with you, or telling your husband that he must always agree with you. Do you think there will be balance in that relationship? I can tell you, with this tendency going on, if the ANC doesn't change, even as MK party, we have one choice: remove the ANC from power.